money, Daddy.
What up? So D back with another video. And today I got the multifunction charging stand. So this right here stand accommodates the AirPods, the Apple Watch, and Android and Apple devices on the stand here. What I want to know basically is if it could do fast charging. So that's my whole thing. Now it says it could do fast charging on the wireless device, but I'm thinking about the port more. So let's get up in here. You got the instructions, the stand for the watch, and then the base. Let's get this box out of here. So this base here, seems like this is standard USB. So I don't know, and I don't really think that it's going to be able to do fast charging because all the bricks really come with the USB-C for the fast charging. I'm talking about that super fast charging. Maybe that Android device can do fast charging off of here, but I don't know if the iPhone can. So let's get in here. Let's get a brick and start playing with the charger and see what's up. I ain't gonna set none of this stuff up because it's all basic standard stuff, and I ain't really gonna use the AirPods thing. So I'll be right back. Let me set this thing on up. All right, so got the device plugged in. Got the little rotation here. So it comes with micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning. So that's what we have here. You can see that. So we got the micro USB, USB Mini, and Lightning. So let's try to see what's up. So there's the Note 10 Plus. Let me see if it does fast charging. Nope. Check your connection. No fast charging. Now I'm using the Anchor adapter that has quick charging generation 2, and also has a quick charging generation 3 on it, but you have to use USB-C. Now, let me see something, because what I could do, so I could try to use a hack and see if I can get it to use the quick charging. So let's try that real quick. Now the hack is one of these Samsung adapters here, OTA I think it is, and what it does, take the standard USB and turns to USB-C. So I'm gonna plug that in. Let's see if we could get quick charging generation 3. Boom. So let's see now if it quick charges. Now again, the device, the case itself, the stand itself, I mean, might not be able just to do it at all because the wires is not made for that. So yeah, it's not doing it. Regular charging. Alright, so let's check out the wireless charger now. And it does fast wireless charging. So, not the best thing, but I'm really more for the cable, personally. And I can see this is going to be an issue anyway, trying to keep it there. I want some change to charge. Really not with it. Now we're going to take the iPhone 11. Let's put it on here and see. Now this is probably a stand for some people overnight, but I'm just not feeling this whole thing right now. But it's charging, everything is charging. Let me see, you got this phone charging here, the iPhone charging, then you have the watch right here, and the earbuds. Now, if you don't care about quick charging, stand is for you. For me, I care about quick charging. You know, these are basically my baby computers. I'm always on them. I'm on them more than I'm on my other 3 computers. And I'm my 3 laptops. So this stand is not going to work for me. So I need to keep looking, find something else. But for y'all to know, you know what I mean? If you see this and you want to cop it, you know, you basically know what to do. You know, so that way you can know if you want it or not. If you're a person like me, you got best of both worlds. You got the Android, you got the Apple, and you want to have a stand or a whole setup to charge everything, here you go. You know, so you got it. You can put your regular phone on there with the standard micro USB, and then you got the USB-C, then you got the Lightning. And seems like it stops spinning. So yeah, it spins all the way one way and then it stops. And same thing there. The wireless charger, I don't trust it. I think this, you know what I mean, might break, but this device, this stand, excuse me, was about, I think, $35. And I mean, like I said, if you don't care about the fast charging, yeah, I mean, wait till the price go down to about like $30, 25, then cop it. It's not worth the 35 plus the shipping and taxes and all that. It's not worth it. You know what I mean? It's not worth it. But the concept is dope, and I'm gonna keep looking. I'm gonna see if I can find me something else. But yeah, this is not working how I want it to work. So we'll be going back. But yeah, I ain't gonna be able to answer anything besides what I'm telling you on this video. So if you're looking at other questions or whatever, I probably won't have them for you. But like I said, it has all the ports, and you know, your AirPods will sit right here, the whole case, put it down. Then there's a stand here, which is here, and you have to run your own cable. You gotta run your own cable for your watch. So that's about it. This thing is going right back in the box and shipped right back to the Amazonis. You know what I mean? So if there's anything, you know, like I said, always say holla at me, but I might not have any other, you know what I mean, anything else more to say because it's going back. I'm pretty sure, in my opinion, this wireless charging pad is not going to last long. The device, the stand is very light. It creaks and rattles. It don't feel solid. And I didn't like how they put the wire in here. Like, I rather ran my own wires. I rather ran 3 different bricks just to charge my stuff. You know what I mean? Personally. So that's me. You know what I mean? Because you already got to run another brick anyway to charge the watch. And then it's already, you hear that? There's already something rattling in there. You know what I mean? I don't know if y'all can hear that. You hear that? Yeah, there's already something rattling there. So this is definitely going back. It's broken. It's out. But anyway, I'll leave the links and everything so you know to stay away. And if you feel like you want, you know, roll the dice and try it out for yourself, you know what to do. All right? But that's about it. So D, and I'll holla at y'all later. Easy.